It's Friday again. And what does it mean? Yes! You are correct. It's time for another experiment. Today, we are going to do an experiment that will show us what will happen when a chemical change occurs. Here are the materials that we are gonna use for our experiment. Clear drinking glass. 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. 1/2 cup of water. And 1/2 cup of orange juice. This looks so refreshing. Could I have some? The first step is to combine the water and the orange juice. Now, let's stir. The next step is adding the 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and sugar. Now, let us stir. It's bubbling! That looks so amazing! When we mix the baking soda and sugar with the orange juice, it produces a bubbling effect and fizzing sounds. I can also feel some air going out of the glass and moving towards my face. The colored bubbles is caused by the chemical reaction between the baking soda and the orange juice. The bubbles are carbon dioxide that is trying to escape the glass during the chemical reaction. After the chemical reaction, we can see that the color of the orange juice became more orange, and we could see that the baking soda settled at the bottom of the glass. Therefore, we could conclude that when baking soda is mixed with orange juice, chemical reactions will occur. As a proof of chemical reactions, we have seen a bubbling and fizzling effect. Those bubbles are carbon dioxide gas that becomes trapped in batter, causing it to inflate or rise. So, I think that's it for today. I hope you have learned